Kaiser mental health workers catching some heat right now for staging a strike as we head into the holidays. Mental health workers walking off the job in San Jose and in San Francisco at a tough time of year for some of their patients. KPIX 5's Emily Turner looks at why the protesters say it was so important to do it now.
These workers say they're striking for accessibility, more accessibility for their patients. But Kaiser says this is the wrong time of year to do that. That in fact, a strike goes in the face of accessibility and at a very dangerous time of year.
For many, it's the most wonderful time of year, but for many struggling with their mental health, it's the worst. So Kaiser Permanente says the strike of its mental health workers couldn't come at a worse time.
And this is often the time that we see spikes in depression and mental health challenges, and it affects all of us, even our families. And so we find it really irresponsible that they've made this decision.
But the National Union of Healthcare Workers says Kaiser was already putting its patients at risk, thanks to weeks-long wait times and grueling clinician workloads. To prove that point, 4,000 workers across the state walked off the job this morning.
These clinicians have been bargaining with Kaiser since June. The strike is a last resort. People don't want to strike, but there's a critical situation going on.
Kaiser says some appointments have been canceled, but doesn't know an exact number just yet. To help meet the demand, though, at one of the busiest times of year, they've brought in additional staff to cross the picket line and pick up shifts. They say it's simply too dangerous this time of year to leave patients without options.
That our patients should continue to reach out to their providers, reach out to our facilities. Our facilities are all open.
The strike will continue through the week. Workers will be outside of several Kaiser locations starting at 6 in the morning and breaking at 4 p.m. Again, it will end at 4 p.m. on Friday. In San Francisco, Emily Turner, KPIX 5.